A new warning for farmers in Maine who have pigs. Late last month, the state put out a health advisory warning about an increase in sick and dying pigs in Maine. Now there are new test results that show just how widespread this problem is. News Center Maine's Alex Haskell explains why state health officials are saying farmers need to take action.
We raise animals on pasture. That's our bread and butter.
Here on Two Coves Farm in Harpswell. These busy, sleepy pigs are an important part of Joe Grady's operation.
They're a bigger part right now because we're going through a transition with our beef.
And with pork on top of the menu, any health issues amongst the population here could jeopardize Grady's way of life. It's why he pays close attention.
I observe them every day and understand their level of health and condition. The way we raise our animals too, ensuring that they get plenty of space, they're outdoors. I think they're naturally going to be in a better position health-wise.
Grady says keeping to this routine is why he wasn't concerned for his pigs following last month's health advisory from the state warning of an increase in young pigs getting sick and dying in western Maine, one testing positive for the potentially deadly Lawsonia bacteria. In a small new round of testing, the state says parasites were found in every sample.
If you start adding things on to that parasite burden, then certainly you could see things like diarrhea, vomiting.
Maine State veterinarian Dr. Stephanie Bolus says that could spell disaster for a young pig, and it's why, given the new test results, the state says farmers need to take better steps to prevent pathogen and parasite-related health issues amongst their pigs.
Working closely with a veterinarian to make sure the right vaccines are given and scheduled, change their setup, whether it's in a small pasture or a fenced area.
Steps Grady says he's always on top of, in addition to providing a clean space for his pigs, something he takes pride in.
Maybe glowing is too strong a word, but you know, they're clean, they're shiny.
And healthy, which Grady plans to keep that way.
You know, we put them in optimal conditions for the 5 months that we have them.
In Harpswell, Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.